Hello all. This tutorial will demonstrate how to add and edit materials, use paint, and decal in Revit. First, apply materials in family type. Step 1. Click an object that you want to add or change materials. Step 2. Click Edit Type to change materials and finishes. Step 3. Duplicate if needed. Step 4. Click Material Value to add or modify the material. Then the material browser will pop up. Not all objects have this option, but many family files do this option. Step 5. If you already made a material you want to use, please select the material and click OK to finish. Step 6. If you want to make a new material, click Create New Material. Step 7. Mouse right-click and click to rename the new material, for example 000FB01 white. Step 8. You can change identity, graphics, and appearance. To add material from Revit library, click Appearance, click Replace this asset. Asset browser will pop up. Step 9. Search a material from Appearance library. Step 10. Click a Replace icon. Step 11. Click Information, name change if this is a unique material. Step 10. Click OK to apply. Second, painting materials. This function is for walls, floors, and ceilings. Step 1. To use the Paint tool, click the Paint from the Modify tab. Step 2. Click a material that you want to use from the material browser. If you do not find the material that you want to use in the material browser, you must add a new material first and then apply the Paint tool. Step 3. Click a face that you want to change, use the Tab key to select the right face. Step 4. You also can remove the paint material by using the Remove Paint tool. Step 5. If the surface needs to be separated, use Split Face, click Split Face from Modify tab. Step 5. If the surface needs to be separated, use Split Face, click Split Face from Modify tab. Step 6. Click the elements like a wall, a floor, a ceiling you want to split face. You may need to use the Tab key to select the element. Step 7. Draw a closed line to divide the surface. You may need to open an elevation view, a floor plan, or a ceiling plan to draw the lines. Step 8. Click green checkmark to finish. Step 9. Then use the Paint tool to apply the material. Third, decal for a freestanding flat surface like a carpet or pictures. Step 1. To create decal, click Decal Types from the Insert tab. Step 2. Please create a new decal, name it, insert the image, and click OK. Step 3. To place a decal, click Place Decal from the Insert tab. Step 4. Place on a surface. Step 5. Change size and location from views. I hope this tutorial clarifies how to add and edit materials, use paint, and decal in Revit. Thank you.